Hey guys, it's Rick at snakehd Harley-Davidson. Today I'm going to feature two brand new 2016 Ultra Limiteds. That's right, 2016 brand new. 2-year factory warranty comes with the purchase of this bike, either one. The farthest one on the right there is the charcoal and black, and then we've got the black Tempest here in the closest to us. 103 high output motors, 6-speed transmission, got the electronic cruise control, we've got the 6.5 boom audio touch screens, the painted inner fairings, heated grips, twin cooled, so it's got the liquid cooled heads on them. Cool thing is 2-year factory warranty goes with these bikes. I'm gonna just kind of zoom in here on the MSRP on this bike here. This is the two-tone, and then we'll zoom in on the black Tempest MSRP. Now the exciting thing is, okay, we're blowing these babies out. Check that price out there. Hell of a buy right there. The two-tone, you ready? Right there. I don't know where else you can go and buy a brand new Harley-Davidson FLHTK for any less than what I've just shown you. ABS brakes, full security, bag liners. So come on in, man, and check it out. Check all of our new inventory out. Got the brand new 18 Softails, 18 baggers, got a few 17 new left. We got a great selection of pre-owned. Come on in, man. Spring is early this year. We'll see you here. Thanks, guys.